For Model 3s produced after 2022, Tesla has mostly fixed this issue through firmware updates like versions 2024-26 and later. In late 2022, a service bulletin, SB 22-00-006, recalled over 1 million Model 3 and Model Y vehicles for faulty charge port latches. These updates and sensor recalibrations have significantly reduced random openings. However, some older 2017 to 2021 models might still experience the problem. Tesla primarily addresses the charge port door issue in two ways: firmware updates and hardware replacements. Firmware updates are software fixes that recalibrate the sensors controlling the charge port door. These updates reprogram the vehicle's systems to better handle sensor data, often resolving the problem without physical changes. If firmware updates don't resolve the issue, hardware replacements may be necessary. This involves swapping out physical components like the charge port door actuator or position sensor. These parts can wear out over time and need professional replacement at Tesla service centers. Often, the software fixes are enough to resolve the problem, making firmware updates the first line of defense. The charge port door mechanism in the Tesla Model 3 relies on three key components working together: a Hall effect sensor that detects the door's position, a latch solenoid that controls the locking mechanism, and the body control module that processes all the data and makes decisions. The Hall effect sensor detects the door's position by sensing magnetic fields. A magnet attached to the door creates a magnetic field that interacts with a semiconductor in the sensor, producing a voltage signal that tells the system whether the door is open or closed. The latch solenoid is responsible for physically locking and unlocking the charge port door. It uses electromagnetic force from a coil to move an armature, which either engages the latch to keep the door closed or disengages it to allow opening. The body control module, or BCM, is the central computer that processes data from the sensor and controls the solenoid. It interprets the Hall sensor's voltage signals and uses firmware logic to decide when to open or close the door, ensuring safe and proper operation. Several issues can cause the charge port door to malfunction. Sensor drift occurs when the Hall sensor is affected by magnetic interference or wear, leading it to misread the door's position. Latch failure happens due to mechanical wear, preventing proper engagement. Firmware bugs in the BCM can result in incorrect data interpretation, triggering unwanted door openings. You can often diagnose the charge port door issue yourself by checking the Tesla touchscreen for error messages. Look for alerts like "charge port door open" that appear when the system detects a problem. These messages help identify if it's a sensor issue or mechanical failure. Another way to diagnose is through the Tesla mobile app. Open the app on your phone and navigate to the charging section to monitor the port status in real time. The app can show if the door is properly closed or if there are any connectivity issues with the charging system. For preventive maintenance, avoid exposing the charge port to extreme weather conditions. Park in covered areas during heavy rain or snow to prevent water ingress that could damage the sensor or latch mechanism. This simple habit can significantly extend the life of your charge port door. Keep the charge port clean during charging sessions. Regularly inspect and remove any debris, dirt, or moisture from the port area before plugging in. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe the contacts, ensuring optimal electrical connection and preventing sensor malfunctions. If the firmware update didn't resolve the charge port door issue, the next step is to consider hardware inspection and repair. If your Tesla Model 3 is still under warranty, you can schedule a specialized charge port door inspection at any Tesla service center. During this inspection, certified technicians will thoroughly examine the latch assembly and related components. If faulty parts are found and covered under warranty, they will replace them at no cost to you. For Tesla vehicles that are out of warranty, the repair process is still straightforward, but comes with associated costs. Typically, these inspections and part replacements range from $200 to $500, depending on which specific components need to be addressed. Tesla service centers will provide a detailed quote before proceeding with any work. During the inspection, technicians focus on several key components of the charge port mechanism. They check the latch assembly for mechanical wear, the Hall effect sensor for proper calibration, and the actuator solenoid for functionality. Common parts that may need replacement include the latch solenoid, position sensor, or the entire door actuator assembly. Tesla is focusing on software-driven solutions to reduce the need for physical recalls. By prioritizing over-the-air firmware updates, they can fix charge port issues remotely without requiring owners to visit service centers. Looking ahead, Tesla plans to integrate advanced diagnostics using machine learning in future model releases. These systems will analyze driving data and sensor readings to predict potential latch failures before they happen, allowing for proactive maintenance. Further into the future, wireless charging could completely eliminate the charge port door issue. As battery technology advances, vehicles may charge through inductive pads, removing the need for physical ports and their associated mechanisms. For current Model 3 owners, Tesla will maintain ongoing support through regular firmware updates and potential partnerships for third-party repair solutions, ensuring long-term reliability for all vehicles. Real-world examples show how over-the-air updates have resolved charge port problems for many Tesla Model 3 owners. Automotive experts rate Tesla's fixes highly, with a 95% success rate in service visits and owner satisfaction scores of 4.5 out of 5 after the updates. Tesla's CEO has stated that software now handles 90% of these edge cases, making the charge port system much more reliable. If you're facing this issue, start by ensuring your vehicle has the latest firmware through the Tesla app. If problems persist, contact Tesla service for a professional inspection.